Hey, you and you and you and you. Welcome to the Art Chick video. Today we're going to be working on this little jewelry box, and in a minute I'll show you how I torched it. I just did it extremely light because this is the boxes that you get like at Micheals and stuff, and it's just ever so lightly torched. And if you don't feel comfortable with a torch, skip it. Just skip it. I do it. I like the look of it, but it doesn't necessarily need it for sure. Go slowly. I do have another video on how to torch, and you could check that out if you'd like. I did not take off all the little screws with the, hinges and everything because I mean, a little bit lazy. Wish you could do it. But also, I've done that before and I've tried to put them back on, and the wood is kind of just cheaper wood and it doesn't really work so well. But just go slowly, and then this is the results. I'm going to be working with Blue Thunder. I must have the Spanish version. I don't know. I've never, looked these over that well. I'm going to use a very little bit of this, the ARTiSTiC ViVATiONS Aphrodite. And this, it tends to dry white, Teal. And I'm going to use a little bit of that, but I'm going to mix it with the Blue Thunder, so it's not so white.
She's got her canvas out, resin sparkling bright. With her magic touch, everything feels right. Colors swirling around in a cosmic dance. With unicorn spit, she teaches art to us. Ooh, the arctic shine, bringing life to the line, to the line. Painting walls and creating magic time. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. She's on your DIY, teaching us to fly. Paintbrush in her hand with a joyful heart. She makes resin pour, turns it into art. Ooh, ooh. Unicorn spit, oh my. Making colors rain, inspiration flows, filling up the frame. The arctic shine, bringing life to the line, life to the line. Painting walls and creating magic time, magic time. Oh, 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 oh. She's on YouTube DIY, teaching us to fly.
So after the unicorn spit is like laid out, you take a damp, this is a paper towel, anything, cloth could work, just damp, and then brush it back over the top very slowly, not a ton of pressure. It's to let the wood grain show through, and then I'll show you here in a minute. You just wipe it really carefully. Now it looks like a mess, but it will look good. It blends everything really nicely, and some of that wood grain just shows through really great. And if you don't want to wipe it, you don't have to wipe it. But really, in the end, you'll see why it's a good technique to try. And it really gives it a special, like, I don't know, more rustic and looks kind of expensive and just creative. And so give that a try. And oh yeah, right here I go back through, and some of the spots they don't look that great. You could just go right back through and try to reblend and fix it. And you can do this over and over again until you seal it.
Making colors rain, inspiration flows, filling up the frame. The object shine, bringing life to the line, life to the line. Painting wood, staying, creating magic time, magic time. She's a new to DIY, teaching us to fly. Making colors rain, inspiration flows, filling up the frame. Filling up the frame. The object shine. colors swirl around me, lost in endless sea. A canvas is my guide, time just slips by. Music plays in the background, getting lost in the sound. I brush against the night, into a trance I slide.